Welcome back. I'm Alex from Lift Off and Travel, and today I'm staying at Courtyard, London Heathrow. Let's take a look. Courtyard is at the top right of Heathrow, with direct bus services from Terminals 2 and 3, featuring 244 rooms, of which are very modern, over 6 floors with 3 restaurants, 2 of which are on the top floor, and a gym. It's pretty obvious that Courtyard has a very modern design, and this is quite an entrance. If you saw our review at London City Airport, you'll know Courtyard is a Marriott hotel, and is in their select group, which is just above the budget range. This is the check-in area, which also features a little shop serving a variety of pre-packed crisps, sweets, soft drinks and alcohol, as well as Haagen-Dazs ice cream. On the left is a bar area and restaurant, which is open during the day and at night time. This is also where you'll find the breakfast area. It's broken up into different areas, and there's even TVs showing news channels. The menu doesn't change and is available throughout the day and the evening. Do think, considering this is just above the budget chain, £18 for a burger is probably a bit much. To the reception, you'll find more seating, a business centre, and some meeting and conference rooms. Now that I've checked in, let's go visit the gym. By the way, if you enjoyed the video, please help us and subscribe and like below. Many thanks. The gym can be found on the 5th floor, and I admit it wasn't easy to find. There doesn't seem to be any signage. The first thing you'll notice is how small it is in here, and the lack of windows. This can make it feel a little bit intimate, if not intimidating, if there was someone else in here. I'm staying on the floor below, and I just need to point out every floor has this wonderful seating area, with views overlooking landings or takeoffs, depending on the wind direction. I'm staying in room 401, which is a larger guest Premier King room, which is just below the suite. There's a large mirror to your left-hand side, as well as some coat hooks. To the right, you'll find the bathroom behind this frosted green glass. This is the standard design, colour scheme, and materials for Courtyard. You'll find an adjustable shower head, amenities provided by Nerve Botanicals, with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. These are pretty nice, but not luxury. On the countertop, you'll find a bar of soap, 2 glasses, and some body lotion, and a shiny box of tissues. Find a variety of towels below the sink. These were a pretty good size. The mirror is impressive. By self-heating, it prevents steam. Description, price, and details for the room can all be found below. You'll find this luggage storage area with a drawer containing a hairdryer and a laundry bag. Next to this is a cupboard with a well-stocked coffee station to please any caffeine addict's desire, as well as an automatic coffee maker, various cups, with 2 complimentary bottles of water. You get a bottle opener just in case, and I thought, unlike some other brands within the Marriott Group, it was perhaps a little bit stingy on the coffee capsules. I know some people who drink 7 a day. Above is a storage cupboard, and below you'll find the safe and a mini fridge. To the right you'll find plenty of hangers, an iron and an ironing board. TV is a really good size, and you'll find 2 plug sockets just below. I think it's really clever using the sofa to divide the room into 2 sections. The only downside is that because of the length of the room, when in bed the TV is pretty far away. My eyesight isn't terrible, but I find myself either squinting or having to get out of bed to go towards the TV to see what I was pressing. This is the king-size bed. On the left you'll find a side table with a storage cubbyhole, and above this a light switch, USB, and a UK plug socket. Both sides feature these small and handy reading lights. The right-hand side features a telephone, notepad and pen, and 2 UK plug sockets with USB. There's a decent sized desk to work at, with additional plug sockets below. The desk chair is pleasing to the eye, and as you can see, when you sit on it properly, it can either be used by itself or using the footrest. Also pleasing are the double windows, which let in loads of natural light, and looking towards the west, you can get some very pleasing views of the runway. Because it's February, sunset starts about 5 PM, so we'll head upstairs to the 6th floor so we can check out the food and view the skybar. Because of COVID, I've been waiting a long time to try this restaurant. Since I heard Courtyard was opening, I'd seen that the 6th floor has lovely views of the airport. It is, however, about 6 degrees Celsius outside, so we'll see how long I can last. This is the same menu you saw at lunchtime, so there's no surprises except for the addition of the specials menu. I've opted for a strawberry and lime cider, and to accompany this, the cheeseburger, which I'll be having inside once it's ready, because it's far too cold. What a great space, with a mix of gold, blue, beige, and with these real marble tabletops. Very inviting. And here's the burger, which was absolutely delicious, but no cheese, odd. I'm heading back to the room now to watch TV, try out the bed, and sleep, before waking up in the morning for breakfast. Somewhat sleepy, I'm heading back to the bar restaurant, which is on the ground floor, to have breakfast. Just around the left corner, you'll find a lovely buffet with flavoured water, juices, coffee, tea, fruit, cold options, more fruit, muffins, pastry, and of course, a hot English breakfast. I couldn't help but feel there was something missing from the English breakfast. Hash browns. Well, they do have them, but they're hidden around the corner away from the hot food. How frustrating. And that's the end of a lovely stay. So how was it? The staff went above and beyond, even practically offering me a late checkout, and were friendly, professional, and a delight to talk to. The room is modern, warm, and I began thinking if this was my flat, I'd be quite happy to show it off. I will point out the breakfast is expensive at £20. Not so bad for me, but if you're a family of 4, that's going to hurt. I would definitely stay here again though. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like below. Bye for now.